These rims just look so much better, not curb rashed. I'm gonna tell you that.
Shiny. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Corvette rebuild video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button, and if you haven't checked out our previous builds, make sure to go and check them out. In this video, we are going to get straight into the Corvette and we are going to work on the front end. It did come from the paint shop. The fenders were thrown out of the car just temporarily. We do have to pull them back off, assemble them, everything underneath, all the grills. We do have to paint the grills red as well, and then we gotta assemble them. These fenders are gonna take us a minute to play around with because we gotta make sure these gaps are perfect everywhere, with the hood, with the headlight, with the bumper, all this good stuff. So the plan is to assemble both fenders, install them. Next step is probably headlights, and then the bumper would be the last thing, right? Yep. Yeah, and also the back, and we just threw the rear bumper just on temporarily. I think in the previous video we didn't put it on. Nope. But we just put it on just so it wouldn't be laying around the shop. As you can see, we don't really got any much shelvings or anything yet, but you know, we're working on that. So we temporarily just threw that out, so we'll probably get to the back after that. We'll see how much we get done, right? Yep. So let's just get straight into the car. guys, so we assembled both of the fenders. Roman's actually playing with the gaps right now. It's gonna take him a minute to play with those gaps, but those gaps have to be perfect, you know, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to sit here and watch him just play with gaps the whole day. So meanwhile, we're actually gonna jump into the rear bumper and we're gonna start putting that thing together. We're gonna start tightening it up, connecting all the sensors, whatever needs to be connected in the back. So it's only holding on 3 bolts right now. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the fenders are about 80% complete. We aligned the gaps on the hood and the fender door. We still might need to move it up and down. Who knows, once we start doing the headlight, the bumper, we might need to adjust it a little bit here and there just to get it 100% complete. But we do have our front bumper actually in our other shop, so we didn't even notice that. We gotta go get that, so we still gotta go there and bring a whole bunch of parts that are from this car as well. So, but we did complete the rear bumper. All we gotta do there is the fender liners and probably the bottom shield. I'm not even sure if we have that. I gotta check the old shop. We still gotta paint these little red Z06 logos, decals, whatever you wanna call it. But the car is looking so sick now without all the red accents. I mean, the red rims, the red rims look really good because first of all, red calipers and red seats.
Yeah, it just complements the red seats.
Yeah, just the red rims, but nothing else. I mean, if you guys remember, everything was red. There's a red grill, whole bunch of stuff on the bumper, right? A whole bunch of stuff. Rear bumper.
You even had red underglow too.
Red underglow, there was so much red going on, it was crazy. So we got rid of all that red. But we do gotta go to the other shop and pick up a whole bunch of parts, so we're probably gonna catch you guys tomorrow.
Alright guys, so it is currently the next day and we're back here at the shop. We do have the old bumper and the new bumper. Now all we have to do is just, everything on this bumper is toast, the lip, the grill, everything. We only need it for the hardware, like the bolts and screws and stuff. So the lip is actually on the shelf, and so is the grill.
But we did get the original lip, right?
We went with the original lip, and we also got the original side. How would you say? It's not side skirts, but it's like the flares on the side.
Yeah, because they were coming aftermarket. I mean, the car had aftermarket.
It had aftermarket. It had the carbon ones. The carbon ones are
they're pretty expensive. I mean, it was like $3 grand or $2 grand for the lip, and another like $1,500 for the thing.
And we also did get these from the dealer, original ones too. So these are no longer carbon fiber, but they still look nice. They
look nice. I mean, yeah, carbon fiber is already, so we're good. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we did actually assemble the whole bumper. It's a really easy bumper to do. It's just the lip and the grill. That's pretty much all there is to it. But right now we're going to get on the harder part, do the headlights. That might be kind of hard because now you have to mess with the gaps again.
Yo, these things are looking sick.
Look at the fit.
gaps.
Yeah, look at the fitment. Look, they're not even bolted on, and the fitment's already perfect.
I know the fitment's actually a lot better than expected. I don't think we've had bad fitment cars.
I think it's better like this because think about it. Now all you have to do is just the gaps from the bumper to the fenders only. Usually whenever you have to do fender to headlight, hood, and bumper, that's when it's usually difficult. But like this, it's actually pretty easy. It just goes right in.
Facts.
It is currently later on in the day. We went to grab the rims from the old shop, and we decided to grab a U-Haul truck and actually transfer all of our parts from the old shop to the new shop. That way we're not running back and forth. But what we're gonna do right now is actually throw on the new rims. Alright guys, so we are out with the old, in with the new. These rims just look so much better, not curb rashed. I'm gonna tell you that.
Shiny, damn. Look how they look with the calipers. That looks sick, red on
That
red.
does look
like
nice. I'm actually glad we actually left the red wheels and everything else black. It just gives a little bit of a taste.
Yeah, always alignment. Look at that camera. That thing is just off.
Alright guys, so this is actually going to be it for this video. On the next video, we are planning to complete the exterior 100%. I'm talking about alignment, put the bumper on, the undershields, all the fender liners, and we also have these side skirts that we have to match the lip. It's like a gray charcoal kind of. And then after that, all we have left to do is pretty much focus on the interior. I'm talking about seat belts, the steering wheel airbag, and then right here in the back where we did take it apart to disassemble the whole rear end. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Go on Foreign Builds on Instagram for the behind the scenes. We do post a lot of stuff there too, but we'll catch you guys in the next video.